A 3D hologram is a three-dimensional image created using light interference patterns. Unlike traditional 2D images, a 3D hologram provides depth, allowing the viewer to see different perspectives of the image when viewed from various angles. Here are some key points about 3D holograms. 1. Creation process. Recording. A laser beam is split into two beams. One beam, the reference beam, is directed straight onto the recording medium, while the other beam, the object beam, is reflected off the object onto the same recording medium. The interference pattern created by these beams is recorded. Reconstruction. When the recorded interference pattern is illuminated by a laser or other light source, it diffracts the light to recreate the 3D image. 2. Types of 3D holograms. Transmission holograms viewed with light shining through them, typically laser light. Reflection holograms viewed with white light reflecting off the surface, like those on credit cards. Digital holograms created using digital data and often displayed on specialized screens. 3. Applications. Entertainment holographic displays in concerts, movies, and theme parks. Advertising eye-catching holographic displays in marketing and retail. Education 3D visualizations for better understanding complex subjects. Medical detailed 3D images for surgery planning and medical training. Security holograms on banknotes, ID cards, and products to prevent counterfeiting. 4. Technological advances. Holographic displays devices that create holograms without the need for special glasses, enhancing the viewer experience. Augmented reality and virtual reality, integration of holographic technology to create immersive environments. 5. Challenges. High costs. Advanced holographic technology can be expensive. Technical complexity requires precise equipment and conditions. Viewing angles. Limited angles from which the hologram can be effectively viewed. Holography continues to evolve, with ongoing research aimed at making the technology more accessible, affordable, and versatile.